Alright guys, welcome back to another video of EveryFlies. This one will be a new genre of editing because today I will be looking at and taking apart a broken DVI, or not a DVI, a cable box by Xfinity that does not work. So yeah, we'll be taking it apart. So first we start with the screws right here near the Ethernet plug. We will unplug that, or not unplug, unscrew it. Oh, and I magically just have machine screws, or machine screwdrivers laying around. It's kind of weird. I don't know how I do, but I just do. So I'll take this screw out. First screw, right here. I'm going to put that to the side, right there. And let's go with this one. This one's long. Right there. And put that right here too. And then we're going to do this one near the AC-DC plug. Or AC plug. Which that one also comes out. And we'll do the next one. And then this panel will come off right here. The little AC panel. If I can align it good. Right here. That should pop off after filling. And it does not want to come out. Might have to wait on doing that. So then we'll take out this card reader, the multi-stream cable card, which is not very popular because it's old. Oh duh, it's old. So and pop that into there. I think this screwdriver works. Let me get a different piece. Hold on. I have this kit right here. That has different screwdrivers. I've been using this one for machine screws. Machine screws. It works really well. And these are the screws. So I'm gonna get the one that works. This one should work. So we'll do it right here too. First, we'll do it to get this panel off. We'll do this one. Next to the cable input. This one's far in. Oh my gosh. There we go. That one looked stripped almost. It was not stripped though. Now we'll do the old card reader thing. Right there. If it'll focus, it'll eventually focus. And if not, that's fine, because I'm just taking out a streaming card. You guys probably know it's called a multi-stream cable card. we can take this panel off. I can find this panel. Then we can take this off. And this was the card that was in the cable box. It's the Cisco PowerKey multi-stream. We've got that out. Now we take these ones off. They take machine screws, so I'll change it to that. And one screw. You guys can't see. Over here. We'll unscrew that. Which comes out as so. These screws will go here. And this right here. If you hear my brother, he's in the background. And you might hear his game. It's a game called Fortnite.
I'm about to win a game. It's a 1v1.
Yeah, if you know what that means. And another screw right there. And now there is one more at the top right here. Oh, and this thing has never been taken apart before. I've not been doing any testing or have unscrewed it off camera. This can be my first attempt doing it, so I'll put that one there, and then this one will unscrew. It's under the Ethernet cable or LAN cable, or under the Ethernet jack or LAN jack. Nice, Parker. My brother just won a Fortnite game. That's nice. And here we should be able to just take it off somehow. If I can oh, there's one more down here. Ooh, this one's in tight. That one's gonna... Oh, by the way, guys, if the video freezes sometimes, that's because of, I'm recording on an iPad, and it's not very, and I'm running at 30 FPS, or frames per second, so it's not that fast, but that's all I got at the moment, so I can't pull it out right now, but I'm gonna try to get this off with a flathead. I don't think I have a flathead, but this thing will work. Try to pry it. I don't know. It is not coming out. That's weird. I guess we will have to do some other ones. So now let's do the other side. So I will move it like so, like that. And right here, we'll unscrew this screw. Oh, it's in tight. It will still come out though. Oh, I see why it wasn't coming out. This whole thing's a bait. Like you can get it off, kind of like that. So that's off. Where did the screw just go? Oh crap. That's probably fine. But yeah, that screws off. So there's no screws on the front, which is this. There's no screws. There is one on this side, which we will. Oh, I might have just stripped it. I've not stripped it. That's good. Just twisting it the wrong way. Oh, there's a freeze again. My bad. And that comes off. And, oh, got a good grip. And there might be, there we go. We have gotten access into it. Here is what it looks like. And it has a lot of capacitors and stuff. I'll show you a look. So you can see we have, I believe that's a microchip? I don't know. But whatever, that's a big capacitor. These mini capacitors. And these are the AV inputs. So thanks for watching. And if you liked it, please like the video. And if you really like them, you can subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you, and bye.